Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to localize an invoice or quote in Clerk. Clerk Quotes and Clerk Invoices apps work the same, so I will show how localization works in Clerk Invoices. Every invoice has invoice layout connected to it, and this layout defines the look of this invoice. So let's open this layout and click Edit. Here we can set the invoice language that will be used to show built-in text labels, and we can choose date and number format that will be used in this invoice layout. If we want to localize strings that are located in the invoice mockup or time report mockup, we need to edit these mockups and manually update them. So invoice localization is pretty easy in Clerk. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.